The primary reason that I set out to start Shine Solar was for one reason and one reason only. It wasn't to be the biggest solar company in the United States. It wasn't to try to go public and make a big name for ourselves and what we were doing. All I wanted to do was create a world-class experience for our customers. And the coolest thing about it is now we've been able to help several thousand customers, and the proof is right there online. We have thousands of 5-star reviews from people that we know we're actually helping their families and we're doing something that matters to them. Shine Solar is actually 3 companies inside of one. We have a full marketing agency, we have a full sales organization, but we also have a massive construction company which is responsible for doing all the work after somebody says yes. We have multiple crews, hundreds of electricians and installers, and their sole purpose is to go out and actually install that happiness we talk about by getting solar panels on the roof and doing it in a way that exemplifies a world-class experience.
Installing happiness at the core is something that we live by to make sure that our customers are feeling that through the entire process, from the time they sign the contract all the way until the panels are on the roof, and then for many years thereafter.